Hey guys, today we're going to be doing one of the easiest upgrades lighting wise to your vehicle, and that's the third brake light. This is our smoked one. It's a dark smoke, as you can see. It's a plug and play unit, and it only takes 2 Phillips screws to remove it. Other than that, it should take you no less than or no more than 5 minutes and you're done. Again, easiest upgrade you can do to lighting on your vehicle. Let's get started. Okay, so to remove this light, Phillips screwdriver, just remove the 2 Phillips screws, one on either side. Make sure you don't lose these. We do not provide new ones. Okay, to remove this, all you gotta do, gently pull out. You have your single connection right here. Push down on the tab and pull straight out. Now that that's removed, we take our new smoke one, the connector, line up your tabs like this. There's a slide-in junction here. Push in, it'll click, you're done. So now you just put that back in, seat that, hand start your screws. That way you don't cross thread them. And tighten it up. Our gasket is a little bit thicker, that way it'll seal really good. So you want to tighten these. Just be careful, if you're using a drill, use a low setting, that way you don't over tighten and crack the plastic housing. Then, basically it's no good at that point. So let's check out how it looks.